Whoopee!
Yes, of course, everyone takes it. Free?
Yes, free, totally free.
Such a good service,
Yes,
really?
yes. Do you want to find out more?
I'm the CEO of XWax Berhad. We are the owner of Whoopee XWax, a new next generation mobile services, providing SIM-free mobile services. While they are roaming, there will be no roaming charges, and basically they can receive the call from their friends and family from Malaysia, free of roaming charges, and they can actually make calls back Whoopee to Whoopee free of charge, or Whoopee to any number in Malaysia at local Malaysian rate. So imagine if you are in the UK and you make a local call to say a fixed line without a Whoopee. So the receiver doesn't have a Whoopee, you can make a call to the receiver on a fixed cost, a local rate Malaysian charges. If you make a call from UK Whoopee to Malaysian Whoopee, it will be free. SMS is also the same. So basically Whoopee utilizes the next generation technology, utilizing what we call the IP multimedia subsystem, which commonly we commonly denote as the next generation network. We also would implement instant messaging like Facebook Chat, MSN, and other platforms to enable consumer to enjoy the Whoopee services. Malaysia boleh, Whoopee boleh. Please download now.